Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 259 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. This isn't Valentine's Day without some chocolate covered strawberries, so that's what I'm going to make. And this recipe is so simple and easy to make. It's thebomb.com and it's only called for 3 ingredients. And I'll post a complete recipe down below in the description box. And check out my red velvet playlist for other delicious red velvet recipes. So grab your strawberries and your chocolate sugar because we're about to make some chocolate covered strawberry magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, I have a pot of boiling water and we're going to add the bowl on top, and I have a half a bag of chocolate chips, and you want to make sure the bowl doesn't touch the water. And you can use any kind of chocolate chips that you prefer. You can use the semi-sweet or the white chocolate. Want to stir until the chocolate chips melt. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing the chocolate. Nice and smooth. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to dunk our strawberries into the chocolate. Over here I have my strawberries and I washed them and patted dry. So we're going to take our strawberry, we're going to put it into the chocolate like so. And then we're going to put it on the pan with parchment paper. And make sure you use parchment paper or wax paper. You don't want to use aluminum foil. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my chocolate strawberries and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through covering my strawberries with the melted chocolate. And this is the part right here if you want to add some melted white chocolate or some chocolate pieces on them. I'm going to put some at the end when they firm up. Alright, so now we're going to pop them in the refrigerator and we're going to let them chill and firm for 2 hours. Alright my friends, the chocolate is nice and hardened. And there's one more thing we got to add to them. Some chocolate syrup right here. Just going to score them on like so. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the chocolate syrup on my chocolate covered strawberries and I'll play them up. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Chocolate covered strawberries. Don't that look pretty? Put them on my heart-shaped platter. And now for the best part. Y'all ready? Time to taste. Here we go. Look at that. OMG. These are so heavenly. These chocolate covered strawberries will definitely satisfy your sweetheart for Valentine's Day. And that chocolate syrup on them, delightful. Chocolate covered strawberry delicious. My friends, really thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and have a wonderful, happy Valentine's Day. Much love.